Hi, I'm Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona. We're a small family-owned business, no one over 5'6". Have you ever tried to sell a home with dirty, dingy, smelly carpets?
You want me to sell this house with that carpet? Yeah, that's not gonna work.
We understand people don't have the cash for new carpet and a down payment on your new home. Plus, you were told not to get any more credit by your new mortgage company. Introducing the Home Seller's Dream Program, where you can get new carpet installed right away with no out-of-pocket costs, no money down, and there is no credit check. All we need is your signature. You pay nothing until your house is sold.
And I can sell your home faster and for more money. In most cases, we can easily cover the cost of the new carpet. So call Carpets of Arizona for a free in-home measure and let's get your home sold fast, real fast. Oh, I love that sound.
Call 480-558-9777. That's 480-558-9777.